What is up, guys? I'm Kelsey.
I'm Melissa.
And welcome to MK Let's Go. Have you ever found yourself in a place traveling out somewhere with no connection? Your SIM card has gone kaput. The Wi-Fi around the hotel sucks. Well, we've got something here for you. In today's video, we're going over the little orange puck that saved our Wi-Fi connection when we were in Tokyo.
Japan.
Welcome to the video, guys. We are two people who love adventures. Our last adventure was in Tokyo, and as our Wi-Fi solution, we used the Skyroam Solis. We're going to go over that with you today to see how you can save money on your next international travel adventure. If you want to save 10% more on this, stay till the end of the video to see what promo codes we have for you. The Skyroam Solis is an internet hub that you can purchase for a small fee and get unlimited Wi-Fi wherever you are. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it only has one button. What does that one button do? It allows you to connect up to 5 devices.
So I hate to correct you on this, but it has 2 buttons.
It has 2 buttons? 2 buttons! 1, 2. 2 buttons.
Power button.
Power button.
Wi-Fi button.
Wi-Fi button. Ease of operation. So, as she corrected me on, you press this button to turn it on. Then, you press this button to connect your device. After that, you don't need anything else to connect. You don't need a SIM card. Those darn SIM cards. You don't need to rent a Wi-Fi when you get to your international destination. Where is that place? I need a map. And you can connect up to 5 devices, including your laptop, your tablet. 3 more friends with mobile devices can connect. Share on Instagram. Find us on Snapchat. Tweet us. Or just watch our YouTube videos.
This is turning into a commercial.
So, while we were in Japan, it also works in 130 other countries. We use this everywhere. We didn't know where we were going. We used all our apps on it. We didn't know where our Airbnb, where our hotel was, where the finest all-you-can-eat sushi was. Vlog coming up. We used all that with this little orange puck.
Little puck.
Look at it. It's a size. Size comparison time. This is an iPhone 10. This is your puck.
It's pretty small.
And that right there is how you charge your puck. It is a USB-C connection. They provide the charging cable. They also provide a little dongle to go from regular USB to USB-C. So they have you covered. Why would you need a dongle? This also acts as an external battery charger. It has 6,000 milliamps worth of battery, and if you don't use that, this will cover you for 16 plus hours a day of unlimited Wi-Fi. She set it up to work with our devices.
Luckily, it comes with a little startup guide.
Easy.
It does make it easy. It literally maps out everything you need to do. First, you turn it on. That automatically lights up the little Wi-Fi button here. It'll go around for a few minutes, so you kind of gotta wait.
It connects to all the boop, 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 satellites in the
Yes. Once that is done lighting up and it's fully lit up through your phone, laptop, whatever, connect to the Wi-Fi on your device. Go to the website that they provide. Then you have to register this little orange puck. Nice thing about it is if you're already in a different country, which we do not suggest anyway, but if you are, they give you 20 minutes of free Wi-Fi to register this little thing. From there, you can start a day pass. Day passes are $9.99 a day, which is not bad considering a lot of service providers do the same thing, but with this, you can connect to 5 devices. So imagine splitting it between 5 people. That's what? Less than $2 a day?
$2 a person.
Per person. Per day.
Per day.
Yeah. So once you do that, once you buy a day pass, you can connect any device you want. So your Wi-Fi name is on the back of your little orange puck. It has the Wi-Fi and the password and also the website that you have to go to register this little guy and to buy more day passes. So if you run out of a day pass, you can go back there, buy another one, and it'll just restart. And you get a full 24 hours. Or they actually do monthly plans. So if you're out of the country for months at a time for whatever reason, you can just buy a full month outright.
Once you're connected, you'll see a little counter on your phone saying how many hours you have left and how much battery this guy has left until you're both disconnected and this guy dies. Alright, there has to be a couple catches with this little puck, right? Well, here are some pros and here are some cons. Let's start with the pros. Pro 1. It's small, effective. Throw it in your backpack. All you need is a charger, which it comes with, and you're pretty much all set. Also, you need a mobile device. You have that, right?
I would hope so.
Pro 2. This offers Wi-Fi connectivity in 130 countries. Go to their website, find out if the country you're going to is supported. Most likely it is. And that's it. That's all your travel preparation you need.
Pro 3. No contracts. Pay as you go. Buy what you need. Hassle free.
Pro 4. Connect your devices. 5 devices. 5 friends. Get some money on that. Save some money. Connect your laptop. Connect your tablet. Make sure you're connected to the world. Pro 5. Once you get to your destination, you only need to find a SIM card and you're connected to 4G LTE connectivity. Now for the cons. Con 1. At least from our experience, doesn't work that well under tunnels.
It's expected.
We kept getting disconnected. Well, not disconnected, but our 5 bars went to 1 little pinky bar.
It was very slow, unfortunately.
That doesn't help out when you're in need of a transportation method when you're underground.
Which we used in Japan.
In Japan. That's all they have there. That we used. Con 2. This little puck should stay on ice. It got kind of hot when we were out there. We had it on almost entirely the whole day.
Yeah.
Japan was hot. Even though it rained a little bit, made a little humid, but most of the time, it was still kind of hot.
Mm-hmm.
If you touched the part where our bag was, and this was right there, this got hot. I don't know if it would damage it in the long run, or if our connectivity would be affected by that, but just to let you know, this thing does get a little hot.
So, pro tip, turn it off when you're not using it.
To add on to her pro tip, that's an awesome way to travel. Turn off your Wi-Fi, spend time admiring the scenery, talking with friends, eating those donuts. I mean, sushi. Wherever you are, enjoy your vacation. Once you're on the move, once you find that you can post something, go ahead, turn it on, and your hours will still be counting down. You'll still have your battery left, and you'll be connected.
Con 3. The initial investment of this little guy is going to be a bit higher than, say, if you were to rent at the airport. Not edible. It ended up being $149.99 for this little guy. But you own it. It's yours forever.
You don't got to go back to the airport and return it. You don't have to find the rental station at the airport to begin with.
Nope.
Once you land, turn it on, get connected.
This is yours forever.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for watching this far into the video, and to show our thanks and appreciation, we wanted to give you a code for 10% off this little guy. And in order to do so, make sure you click on the link below, put the Skyroam Solis into your cart, and before you check out, enter code MK Let's Go. That's MK Let's Go.
Right here. Right here. Oh. MK. Here. Let's go. Right here. Right
here. Easy as that.
Let's continue with the video.
Con 4. Your time keeps ticking down regardless of whether or not your Wi-Fi is on or not. So if you turn it off, that countdown timer is still counting down.
That's to be expected when your connectivity range is only 24 hours. Con 5. Not really a con, but as to be expected, it won't work when you're in cruise ships, mid-flight, the middle of nowhere, and when you're in space. Weird. You'd think you'd be closer to the internet by then. Huh. Alright, wrapping up. Overview. This is an awesome device. Get connected wherever you are, and all you have to do is remember to charge it, buy your day pass, connect, and have fun. That's the most important part. Have fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was our time with the little Skyroam Solis from Japan. We're going to be bringing it to our next trip in, and we'll be sure to let you know how it works over there. And until next time, I hope you guys have an awesome day. If you're interested in getting the Solis, don't forget to go into the description, use that link to go to the site, use the code MK Let's Go. We hope you have safe travels, stay connected, have fun, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Bye.